Okay, shall we start the session, beta? See, in linear equation, real numbers. In real numbers, what part we are going to do? Check this one out. First, we will start with first period. So, till 20 questions we have already done. We will start with 21 question number. Let's see, beta. Go for this question, please. See the question very nicely. Start reading the question. Part and do this question. Get ready for it. Come on, go for it. Question is, there are two batches of students in a college. The first batch has 135 students, whereas the second batch has 225 students. Okay. These students have to be seated in an auditorium in such a way that each row has the same number of students of each batch. Okay. The greatest number of seats in each row should be. What should be the greatest number of seats? Come on, go for it. Come on, try Satya, start solving the question, beta. Come on, start doing it. Kritika, Kavya, start solving this question, beta. What they are actually asking in the question. Till 20 questions we have finished. This is 21 question number. What they are telling. There are two batches of students in a college. The first batch is 135 students. The second batch is 225 students. Come on, go for it. Start solving the question, please. Okay, the correct answer is coming as 45. Jotam, are you going to LCM, take LCM or HCM? What actually you are going to do here? Are you going to take LCM or you are going to take HCF? The correct answer is here we are going to take HCF ki LCM? LCM. Okay, Jotam is telling we are going to take LCM. Understood. So Jotam told we are going to take LCM, and see here online students are telling they are going to take HCM. Now we are going to decide is it going to be LCM or HCM. There are two batches of students in a college. The first batch has this much student. These students have to be seated in an auditorium in such a way that each row has the same number of students in the batch. So you need to understand that each row will have same number of students. So if each rows are having same number of students in the batch, means 110%, it is exactly going to be when same number of students are there, that means 100% it is going to be HCF only. Common. HCF leads with common. Highest common factor. Understood or not? So least common factor, no highest common factor, because once a person will be seated in one place, after that no one can take that place. You have to understand that. So if a person is sitting in that place means no other person can take that place. So that means the highest common factor will be coming here. What will be coming here? Highest common factor. So 135 and 125, 225 we will check. 135 and 225. So let's see this one. So 335. So 9 into 5, 45. So each row will have 45 students. Understood or not? Vishwa, good evening, beta. Start solving these type of questions. So each row will have how many students? 40. Sorry, each row will how many students will be there? 45 students. This is a very important question. I'm very seriously fed up with some of the students. Now come on, go for it, please. Go for this question. What is the correct answer here? 22A. 22A. Okay, some are telling A. Jotam is telling 8. Let's see what is the correct answer. Rahul has 40 centimeter long red and 84 centimeter long blue ribbon. Okay, so 40 and so Rahul has 40 centimeter long red, 40 centimeter long red and 84 centimeter long blue ribbon. He cuts each ribbon into pieces such that all pieces are of whenever equal length they are asking now, equal size, equal length, you have to find HCF. So here 4 will come, it will come 10, 10 and then it will come 21. So 100% 4 will become the answer. Very good, well done, well deserved answer. So whenever such questions are coming, you must be knowing how to handle the question. I'm seriously cancelling the question because now I'm fed up. All the students now they are just celebrating. They're not understanding. I'm leaving everything and starting the classes. What is this here? Your celebration is important. I'm just giving myself. Seated class I cancelled for you people because you people were waiting. Only one or two students are telling that auntie, please keep class, please keep class. What about the rest of the students? Hmm? Seriously, I will stop teaching you people. I'm leaving all my work and started teaching you people. And you idiots, seriously, it's waste teaching you people. Not other class, only your class. I'm just handling and teaching. Join the classes as fast as possible. Then go for next question. Solve this question, please. Start solving the question, please. Now look here. While coming from the school, Virat noticed that the particulate matter PM level were exceptionally high as he had. It is 2.5 written. Check to something written 2.5. Level were exceptionally high as he had difficulty in breathing. On reaching home, he checked the report was found that city's air quality index was 196, which was poor by World Health Organization. As Virat loved to play with numbers, he decided to evaluate the sum of exponents of prime factor of this number. The correct answer would be, what will be the sum of prime factors of this number? See, 196 is there. What is the sum of prime factors of this number? See, the sum of exponents of prime factors of this number. The sum of exponents of prime factor of this number, 196 means 2 will be there, 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8, and after that 2 nines are 18, and 7 and 7. 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 2. So answer is coming as 2 plus 2, 4. So the correct answer is exponent is coming as 4. The exponent is coming as 4. Understood? Yes, correct answer is 4. Now we'll go for next question. Solve this question please. Come on, go for this question. Try solving this question please. See here what is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, try to solve this question. Come on, start solving the question please. 24D is the answer. What is the correct answer? Say. Suraj was teaching counting from 1 to 10 to his sister, who is kindergarten student. Suddenly a question came to his mind, are there any number that are divisible by all the number from 1 to 10? 100% that number, the number which will be divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, it will be which number? We will do one first. We will take the LCM of all the numbers. Yes, LCM. Here LCM of all the numbers is going to be done. You remember this part, LCM of all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of all the numbers. And when you will take LCM of all the numbers, answer will come 2520. Answer will come 2520. So 2520 is the correct answer. 2520 is the correct answer. I hope you might have understood. Yes, 2520 is the correct answer because you have to take the LCM from 1 to 10. Okay. We'll go for next question. Come on, solve this question. They're telling that see this time now it is already informed that application based questions will be there. So application based questions if it is coming means they will be asking the questions that is based on applications. Huh? So here you check. Palak has 65 oranges and 117 apples, which she wanted to pack in separate packets. Okay, in such a way that there would be equal number of oranges or apple in each packet. Again, they have given equal number of words. So whenever equal number of words will be given, they will not be asking anything, but they will be asking HCF. Okay. So what you have to do here is, and they're telling that whatever is the result, HCFC, they have written the word HCF. So this number, whatever the HCF of these two number, it will be expressible in this form. So here, number two numbers are there and it is expressible in this form. So we will be writing this part 165 and 117 HCF. Okay. So 65 and 117 HCF you find, and after finding 65 and 117 HCF, you have to write. So 65, 13 5s are 65 and 13 9s are 90, 27, 10, 11. So 39 is coming. Okay. So what is the answer coming? Solve this 65 and minus 100. Beta, can we add this one? How much it will come? Say to 130 by 65 is equal to m. 13 fives are and 10. So m is equal to 2 coming. Very good. M is equal to 2 coming. That's a good answer. That's a correct answer. Very good. So I hope all the students are seeing that part. We just have to do HCF and HCF morning one. See, either they will ask the question in the form of story or they will ask the question in the form of like this. Come on, go for this assertion, reason question. Okay. Option A. Okay, very good. Two people are telling, one is telling option if the product of two numbers is this and then HCF is this and LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM, correct only. Now go for many questions here and this is incomplete. A number Q is prime factorization of this where B is in other number is 3 and 7. I think this is incomplete question. Can we go for this question, Beta? What is the answer for this? Q is definitely an odd number. Okay. Oh, it is connected to this question only or okay, this part, this is the question. That's what I said. Come on, move on. A number Q is prime factorized as this. where b is a prime number other than 3 and 7. Okay. Now what they're telling that q is definitely an odd number. Prime numbers, q is definitely an odd number. If is it necessary that q is an odd number? This is an odd number. 3 square 9, 49 into 7. Check 49, 7, 49 into 9. 9 nines are 81. So this is an odd number is a true statement. Q is definitely an odd number. Is it necessary that Q will be an odd number, beta? Can Q be an even number also? B can be even number also, na? Then how can with so surety we can say? Children, please think one time and give me the answer. I think the question is exactly. I think the question is exactly little tricky for you. Please kindly check this part. You people are saying with blind guess that it is A. How can it be? Because B can be, see, prime number is not only, please understand that prime numbers is not only be odd numbers. Prime numbers are even numbers also. So some of the prime numbers are even numbers also. So with this surety, we cannot handle this question. So you need to understand this one. With this surety, you cannot handle this question like this. I hope you might have understood this one. So that means A is false. Yes. Now I hope everybody understood that A statement is false. See, in board exam, if this type question is coming, because you see CBSE practice set 1 and 2 in 2023, this question already hit. So 100% like this typical questions are in the target for CBSE. Understood or not? In assertion reason, they will hit like this. Don't think that they will ask you only one simple yes. Assertion is false and reason is true. That's the most important thing. Don't do this mistake. Absolutely. The assertion is false and reason is true. Very good, Jotam. So from the beginning, only Jotam was telling that this part is not coming correct. Understood. So now we will go for the next question. 5 is a rational number. The square root of all positive integers are irrational numbers. Again, you handle this question very nicely. I don't want to say anything about it. You handle this question, appropriately handle this question. Huh? Very good. Their assertion is true. 5 is a rational number, correct. But here the second part, the square root of all positive integers are irrational. It is not at all possible because with the assertion is true and reason is false. Understood not? Because square root of all what you call integer cannot be rational, irrational. It can be rational also. Like root under 4. Their root under 4 if you will take, see, square root of all integers, square root of all integers like root under 4, root under 5, root under 9, root under 10, root under 11, root under 12. So here root under 4 is what? 2. That is not irrational, it is rational. Root under 9 is 3. This is also rational. Understood or not? So these are rational numbers. We'll go for question number 36 and 37 and your time starts now. Come on, go for 36 and 37. Good evening, Alan Boyd. Yes, sir. Please kindly say what you have to say. A is true. See, the product of this and this is an irrational number, 100% na beta. Because 3 will multiply with 6, but 3 will multiply with root 3. So 100% 3 root 3 will come. If root 3 will multiply with 2, this it will become 2 root 3. After summarization, it will be an irrational number. So this is true. Okay. Second one is the product of two irrational number is always an irrational number. This is actually not true. Understood? The product of irrational number is not always irrational. Sometimes it is rational also. So 100% reason is false and assertion is true. So what is the option here? The correct answer is understood. So now root 2 is an irrational number, correct. If m is a natural number which is not a perfect square, then root under m is irrational number. That is also correct. Got it? The prime factor of 3750 are, these are the prime composite numbers are the number which have at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. Is it the correct definition of composite number? Check very nicely. 38th question, check very nicely. Those who are so confident, please kindly first check is it going to satisfy the situation or not, and then only you try to answer the question, because I believe you must check one time. No, that is also not correct, Sanjay. Very precisely, Sanjay answered this question because there is a big problem in the question. So you need to check the question very nicely. You need to check one time what is exactly given in the question and then you decide to take it. A is not the correct answer here. So please kindly, 38 A is not the correct answer. 38 A is not the correct answer. C. Both are false is also not correct answer. See, look here. First, a bit of prime factorization. Sanjay, take time. In your paper also, I am finding always that you are little hurry. I want you to be little relaxed. And you are a very intelligent student. Only little sections you need to recover. Now look here. 3750. What and all are the factors of 3750? 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25, 0. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 0. Understood? So here 5 threes are 15, 0. 5 six are 30. So 5 to the power 4, 2 into 3. This is a correct statement. Composite numbers are the numbers which have at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. So composite number factors they are telling. See, are at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. One factor, numbers are the numbers which have at least one factor. So if 4 is a composite number, understood? So what and all its factors are. So first factor can be 1, 1 can divide it, then another one can be 2 and the number itself. Understood? So this statement is true and this statement is also true. Both the statements are true. But this statement, absolutely Sanjay, both the statements are true. But this statement is not explaining A. So definitely what is the option now? Come on children, say. Maha, here only. Some of the questions, Maha, you are very loosely checking. This is not the place where I can be. See, this only 1 month left for examination, less than 1 month. Today is 16th of January and next month 17th of February you are having your board examination. So you remember very nicely. Only 1 month left. I won't be able to accept these type of mistakes. So please be very particular about it. You can't do this mistake. See, they are not explaining anything. That is not coming common. Come on, go and read these questions, everyone. Start reading the question because they will give you big statements. And with that big statements, you have to check and give the answers. Come on, start doing it. Better start reading the question first. You have enough time to read the question. I'm a little bit minimizing the screen. First part of the question, what is the story? The school principal wants to address the student of classes 8 to 10 on on importance of personal hygiene. He asked the teacher in charge of the school to arrange all the students in 8th, 9th and 10th classes in a single hall. There are 84 students for 8, 63 students in 9th and 42 students in 10th. Come on, note down how many students are there. Come on, check this one out. I need the data, so keep the data with you because I have to remove the screen and write the question. So I need data. First, 84 student in 8th class. 84 student in 8th class. Say that 84 students in 8th class. How many students are there? 9th class in 9th class 63. After that 10th class 42 students. Is it like that? Come on, check. Yes. So there are exactly, let's move to that part, please. 84, 63 and 42. Very good. So now, what is the minimum number of rows in which the student can be seated? So the student belong to the same class as seated in the same row. So minimum number of rows they are asking. So here this question belongs to HCF. Understood or not? So what is the minimum number of rows? So that same class student can be sitting there. Minimum number of rows so that same class student can be sitting there. So definitely this belongs to what type question? This belongs to HCF type questions. Understood or not? So here let's check this one out. Minimum number of rows they are asking. So what is the minimum number of rows? So what is the minimum number of rows? Let's check this one out. 84, 63, 42 is there. So let's check this one out. First is, we will put it for 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 40, 7 9 6. So here 100% it is coming as 3. So 3 4 is 12, it is a 9, it is a 6. So 7 into 3 is coming as how much? 21. 7 into 3 is coming as how much? 21. Understood? 7 into 3 is coming as how many? 21. So definitely 21 rows will be there. And in that 21 rows, 8 students, that means in 21 rows, 8 student, 9 student and 10 student will be sitting. So 8 student will sit with 8 student, 9 student will sit with 9 student and 10 student will sit with 10 student. So like this is the symmetry. 8 will sit with 8 student, 9 will sit with 9 student and 10th will sit with 10 student. So this is exactly the symmetry. Understood or not? Now here 21 is coming. How much is coming? 21. Second part of the question, what they are asking? Now let's check what is the second part of the question. What is the minimum number of rows in which the student can be seated such that student belongs to the same classes are seated in the same row? If 4 students from 8th class, 3 students from 9th class and 2 students from 10th class didn't come in the hall due to some reasons. So now we have to remove. Understand or not? So 8 students, how many students did not came? 4. So now the number of students left is 80. Okay. Now the number of students left with 80. Now 4 students from class 8, 3 students from class 9. So now it will become 60. After that 2 students from class, so 40. So first though we will put 10. So it will become 8, 6 and 4. Then we will put here 2. So here it will become 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So total number of rows will be here 20. What is the total number of rows? So when you are removing 4 students from, then please see from the beginning. This is a very important class, beta. So here when 4 students from 8 is removed, 3 students from 9th is removed and 2 students from 10th is removed, then 100%, how many students left here is 20. So 20 rows will be there. 20 rows will be there. That's the most important thing. Realizing that the hall can accommodate more students, the school principal now want to include 98 students of 7th class. So now 98 students of 7th class will be there. Then what will be the minimum? So here also the same slot will be there: 98, 84, 63 and 42. So here 7 will divide, 7 ones are 7, 7 4, 7 4 is 28, 7 ones are 7, 2, and then it is coming 7 nines and 7 6 are. So here now 2 will be, 3 will be there. So now how many rows will be there? The moment he reduced, how many will be possible? So see, look here, the moment he will be reducing. Now what is the HCF? 7. How many rows will be there? 7. After that, what they are telling? That student belong to the same class or seated in the same row. So 7 is there, but 7 is not the complete answer, because they are telling same class, 7 rows are there. See, 7 rows are there. Now 7 rows are there, but in 7 rows, 7th class will sit separately, 8th class will sit separately, 9th class will sit separately, and 10th class will sit separately. So total number of rows will be. So each 7 here is not row. 7 is number of student here. Each row will have how many students? 7. So how many rows needed? How many rows needed? So now how many rows needed? 98 divided by 7 plus 84 divided by 7 plus 63 divided by 7 plus 42 divided by 7. 6, 9, 12 and 14. So 14 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6. Total it is coming as 9 plus 6. 41 rows. Understood? So total number of rows coming here is 41 rows. Because each row will have 7 students. So total number of rows coming here is 41 rows. You need to remember this part. So total number of rows coming here is 41 rows. I hope you might have understood. Total number of rows coming here is 41 rows. Got it? Yes, super. So total number of rows coming here is 41 rows. Raman is hosting the New Year party for his friends. He wanted to purchase some edible like patties and buns for making burgers, some towels and some shining papers and glitters papers for decorating his house. When he reaches the store, he finds that patties came in a pack of 6 and buns in a pack of 8. So patties are coming in a pack of 6. Patties are coming in a pack of 6. Buns are coming in a pack of 8. No small towels are available, and the only towel size available is 16 into 20 mm. The shiny paper comes in length of this much inch and this much, and glitter paper in length. So shiny paper is 36 inch and glitter paper is coming in 40 inch. Okay, so this is the information given. After find the prime factorization of numeral value of area of towel. Find the prime factorization of numeral value of area of towel. So what is the numeral value of area of towel? 16 into 20. That is 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 3, 3 20. So it is coming to 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 8 are 16, 0, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 20 and 2 10 and 2 5. I hope you might have understood this one. So it is coming as how much better? Numeral values prime factorization 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6 into 5. Assuming one patty is required for one bun, What is the smallest number of packs of each Rahman must buy so that no patties or buns is left out? Understood or not? So how much will be there so that no patties should be left out? This is a very good question. Come on, go for it. No patties should be left out. So what you have to do? Check this one out. Assuming one patty is required for one bun. Correct now? So one patty will go with one bun. So six patty will go with six buns. Six patties will go with six buns. So two patties, two buns will be left. Correct? Again, we will buy second packet. Okay. Now second packet, six patties will go with six buns. Again, two will be left. Third packet. So again, six patties will go with six buns. Again, how many are left? Two. So this time we will not buy any bun. We will again one packet if we will buy patties. Again one packet we will buy patties. Then this six bun will be accommodated. Understood? So must Rahman buy? Okay, assuming one patty is required for one, what is the smallest number of packs of each? So patties required is 4 pack and one required is 3 pack. I hope patties required is 4 pack and one required is 3 pack. That's it. Here simple symmetry is giving us the answer because one patty with one bun. So definitely one this symmetry will be there, 2 bun will be left. Second packet, 2 bun will be left. Third packet, 2 bun will be left. When one patty, one bun, one patty. So here 6 will be there. So with one more packet of patties, this 6 will be accommodated. So definitely 4 packet of patties and 3 packet of buns are needed. I hope you might have understood. If each square towel has to be cut from the piece of small towel, then find the minimum number of towels that can be cut so that there will be no wastage. So if square towel has to be cut, so how many square towel has to be cut? Square towel means what? We need to take HCF of this two. Understood or not? So if we will take HCF of this two, 16 and 20, then definitely square part we will get. So here 2 8s are 16 and 2 10s are 20 and then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So total how many will be there? Can you tell me beta? So total is coming as 320 is there. 320. So 320 divided by 4. Total area is coming as this much. 16 meter is there and 20 meter. 16 meter and 20 meter. Centimeter no na. 16 meter and 20 meter. So definitely 80 we will take out. 4. 4 is coming as square width and depth. Yes. 4 will come. Check the entire dimension if 1 4 will come out. 4 and 4. Correct now. So 16. I think again 1 4 area will be there. Length into so area of rectangle divided by area of square 20. What answer will come? 4 will come or 20 will come? Check. Yes, 20 pieces will be there. 20 rectangle or 20 square pieces will be needed. Come on, solve this question. Question number 41. Question number 41. Come on, solve. XYZ point. . Come on, start answering. This is the last question for today. What is Z? 11 dividing this one. How much it will come? 2, 3, 23. Z will become how much better? Z will become 23. Z will become 23. Okay. Now 2783 divided by 253. How much it will come? If you will divide, you will easily get. Huh? X, what is X? 1 3 1 3 1 1 1 3 1 1 5. Correct? So 5 3 is 15, 5 8 is 40, 41, 4, 5 is 36, 8, 8, 1 time motion. Calculation. 2 7 8 3 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 8 is 34, 5 9 is 35, 9, and 5 2 is 10. It is 1 0. The calculation that we are doing the paper. 10915. Calculation is 1 0. Which part you are doing here? 2783 multiplied with 5. 2783 multiplied with 5. Wait, 2753 is a 15, 5 8 is a 40, 1, 4, 5 is a 25, 9, 2, 5 2 is a 10. Correct. It is coming 13915. 13915. Correct. Yes. And here how much it is coming? 2783. 2783 divided by 253. How much it is coming? It is coming as 11. So y value is coming as 11, z value is coming as 22, and x value is coming as 1315. Okay, beta. And keeping it there. Today more than 3-hour classes was there. Today how many hours you studied? Beta, practice. Bye everyone.